Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start right now by securing the car and opening the hood. You don't need to remove the bumper. Locate the headlight housing at the front corner and feel for the back cover. Once done, clear any engine cover obstructing access by undoing a few clips. This gives you more room to work. Put on gloves to protect the bulb from skin oil and confirm the exact bulb type printed on the box matches your owner's manual before proceeding. Now focus on the removal. Rotate the dust cap counterclockwise and pull it away to expose the socket. Depress the small tab on the electrical connector and pull the connector straight back. Do not yank the wires. Release the metal retaining clip or twist the bulb socket the required quarter turn. Once free, pull the bulb straight out while keeping the housing steady. Inspect the bulb base and socket for corrosion or melted plastic, because any damage should be addressed before installing the new bulb. Install the new bulb by inserting it straight into the socket. Make sure the tabs line up and the retaining clip or twist mechanism fully secures it. Reconnect the electrical plug and replace the dust cover to keep moisture out, then reassemble any engine covers you removed. Turn on the headlights and verify operation and beam pattern on a flat surface. If the light is dim or not working, recheck the connector, fuse box, and bulb seating. If aim is off, use the adjuster screws to align the beam.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.